Hey my dear friends, my name is Lera Het and today we will create a simply gorgeous interior painting on this large, beautiful canvas. I am glad you're with me, so subscribe to the channel and let's get started. We will use finishing putty and adhesive mesh that is used in repair work. And now let's move on to our base. What are we going to do now? First, let's strengthen our canvas. As you've already figured out, we'll be reinforcing it with the same putty and mesh. Why do this at all? We need to do this to ensure our painting holds well and prevent cracks from forming in the putty. Now we apply the first layer of putty, after which we will glue our mesh onto it. I'll speed up the whole process as much as possible, as there's a lot of work involved, but it's worth it. So the first layer of putty is ready. Now we take the mesh and glue it end to end. After laying the mesh, it needs to be lightly smoothed. Trim the mesh at the joint. I will cover the entire canvas area with this mesh, but you can purchase a larger mesh to do it in one go. I use this type of grid because my paintings are of different sizes. And it is also convenient to store because it takes up less space this way. Let me remind you that we apply a base coat to improve the quality of the painting. Basically, if you're making a painting for yourself and don't plan to transport it anywhere, you don't need to apply a base coat. However, if you're planning to sell the painting, try to do it well to prevent damage during shipping. In any case, if you're working with putty, I'd recommend strengthening your base. This isn't the only method, there are many more. The next task is to level the mesh and embed it in the putty. I smooth and level it very well. Now we apply the final layer of putty and our base is ready. You see my nose in the frame from time to time. I'm not a video professional, so I hope you don't mind. After all, the main goal is to show you the process so you can replicate it at home. I am currently creating the composition of the future painting. It won't be central, so I need to calculate everything and determine the primary location of the future race. I'll also be using palette knives for this composition. They'll vary in size from large to small as they move towards the center. Oh, and I completely forgot about my ring. How could I do without my ring? I think I'll put it on to make sure this painting is a success. And now we continue. Using the palette knife, I'll create our rays of light, moving towards the center. Basically, you can see the rest already. I'll go and continue working. Enjoy watching, dear friends, and be sure to subscribe to the channel and give it a like if you want to see more creative ideas. Oops, at this point the lights went out. But don't worry, I'll be working with additional light from now on. We are continuing. We are not stopping here, and we are working in the dark morning, night, day, and winter. Well, friends, let's dance together now. And this is the final we have for now. But in the future this picture will be polished and colored. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next stages. Hugs. Until next time.